In today's video, I'm going to share 3 tips that will improve your reach on TikTok. Using these tips, you'll notice a major improvement in the quality of short-form vertical videos. You'll be able to apply this not just to TikTok, but also Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Whether we like it or not, in my educated opinion, I believe that short-form vertical videos is the direction that social media marketing is going. We can either adapt to the times or get left in the dust. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a full example of a TikTok video I made using these few tips. A big shout out to today's video sponsor, Weaver Leather Supply. In the description, there will be an affiliate link. Please consider using it when placing your next order. And with that out of the way, let's get started. Number 1 rule, and definitely the most important, don't be lazy. We are here to tell a story, even if it's only 1 minute long. What works best for me is to do an entire project each video. But this can also work if you want to break up your video into different parts. You just have to commit to showing the whole project and not leaving your audience hanging. The best way of doing this is to film the entire project, edit it into its parts, and have a schedule for posting. Here are a few what not to do's when posting on TikTok. Just doing a panning shot of your product at the end of it and calling it a day. People see through your laziness and they want to be entertained. If they sense that you're not putting any effort into your video, they're just going to scroll on by. Our goal is to hook them within the first 5 seconds of our video. And 100% don't post a slideshow to TikTok. Ever. Ever, ever. I have made this mistake so you don't have to. People don't want to see photos on TikTok at all. It's simply just not what this platform is designed for. Put a little bit of effort into your video and you'll get a little bit back. Really dive deep and put a lot of effort into it and you'll see a dramatic change. This might sound counterproductive, but you want to show the end at the beginning. What I mean by that is show a short clip of your finished project right at the beginning. Give the audience what the end will bring to them if they watch your whole video all the way to the end. The longer people watch your video, the more your video will be shown to others. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a panning shot of your project and cut that in half. Place the last shot in the way that it will match up with the beginning of your video. In order to do this, you're going to need to reverse both clips of your panning shot. This will allow the end of your video and the beginning of your video to move seamlessly and provide a looping video. When your video ends, you hope that the audience continues watching your video from the beginning again. We're trying to emphasize getting our view times up. And at the end of the day, the more view time you have, the more eyes on your products you have. All right, this is the 5-second rule, and I'm not talking about picking up food off the ground. When I'm editing, I cut down each and every clip to only the meat and potatoes. I only want a segment of the clip that's the absolute best. Once I have just the most important part of the clip, I speed up or slow down the clip to 5 seconds. This is the super important part of this section of the video, so please take notes. Every clip that is originally under a minute, I speed up to 5 seconds. Every clip that is originally over a minute, I speed up to 7 to 10 seconds, depending on its importance and eye appeal. If I have a clip that is originally under 5 seconds, I slow that clip down. When picking a cross dissolve, I just suggest something that is super simple. Once we speed up this video to the desired length, you're not going to see the dissolves much anyways. Basically, what you're doing is just taking the edge off of each clip. Okay, now that we have the whole timeline complete, we're going to save this video as is. Once this video is saved to your album, you're going to close this editing program and open up a new timeline. Once you have a new timeline opened up, drop your full clip into your timeline. Now what we're going to do is select that clip and speed it up to whatever speed we need to make that whole clip 1 minute. Just 1 minute, that's it. This can be really tricky sometimes, but don't go over a minute no matter what. Keep it at 57 seconds, 58 seconds, 59 seconds, because it will be a lot easier to send in group messages through Instagram Reels. We can use this on many different platforms, and the 1 minute mark is for sure the best. Trust me. All right, I just want to jump on here real quick and give you a disclaimer. With these videos, we're not trying to appeal to other leather crafters or our peers at all. These are made for potential customers and clients. What you hear immediately from any other leather crafter is that the videos are too fast and they can't see what you're doing. The point that I'm trying to make is know your audience. Who we're trying to reach is potential customers and clients. They're the ones buying our products. Other leather crafters aren't. So know who you're trying to appeal to, and that's going to get you a long way in making these kinds of videos. In future videos, I'm going to teach you how to use this video and multi-purpose it into a YouTube video that you can slow down like the one that you're watching right now. All right, guys, those are my first few tips. And like I said, I'm going to definitely be making more videos like this if it's something that you guys find interesting. The only way I'll know that this is interesting to you is if you leave a thumbs up down below. I hope that this helped you out, and I can't wait to see your million view videos on TikTok. I'll leave a link to my TikTok in the description below so you can see examples of these methods in action. You'll also see the progression of my TikTok videos. Little heads up, they're not good. They're horrible, in fact. You can see the view count on the slideshow videos that I did in the past. Not a good look, my friends. And that's totally okay with me. I like to leave those old videos up to remind myself that I don't need to be perfect. All I need to do is improve. If we all make one little improvement in every project that we do, in no time we're going to be the best versions of ourselves. I want to give a big thank you to Weaver Leather Supply for always taking good care of me as well as the community around me. I also want to thank them for sponsoring this video. It would be super awesome if you use the affiliate link below when reordering or stocking up on your supplies. That will really help me out personally and allow me to make more videos like this for you. I'm now going to show you the complete video of the TikTok I made using all of these tips and based off of this video. Please feel free to use it as reference as you make your TikTok videos. I hope to see you guys on the next video, so hit that bell to remind you when I post the next video in this series. All right, check you guys out later.